अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. सो वी नो द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ x प्लस वाई टू द होल पावर n. दिस एक्सपेंशन विल कम c0 x पावर n प्लस c1 x पावर n minus 1 into y plus c2 x power n minus 2 into y square plus c3 x power n minus 3 into y cube plus c4 x power n minus 4 into y power 4 plus c5 x power n minus 5 into y power 5 plus dot 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 plus cn x power 0 into y power n. Here NCR equal to CR. Instead of NCR we are writing CR. Correct? So this is nothing but first term T1. This is second term plus this is third term plus this one is fourth term plus this one is fifth term and this one is sixth term and this is nothing but Tn plus 1 term. Correct? So in this expansion x plus y power n we are getting n plus 1 terms. Correct? Now what we are doing in this expansion, if I replace y with minus 1, now what will come? If I replacing y with minus 5, so what will come? This is nothing but x minus y to the whole power n. Now right hand side what will come? C naught x power n plus c1 into x power n minus 1 into minus y plus c2 into x power n minus 2 into minus y whole square plus c3 into x power n minus 3 into minus y whole cube plus c4 x power n minus 4 minus y power 4 plus c5 x power n minus 5 into minus y power 5 plus dot 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 plus last term what will come? Cn minus y power n. Correct? So this we can write as x minus y to the whole power n equal to c naught x power n. Now second term is what? Minus y. So minus we can take outside. This we can write c1 x power n minus 1 into y. Minus y square is what? Y square only. So this we can write plus c2 into x power n minus 2 into y square. Now minus y cube we can write as what? Minus y cube. So minus we can take outside c3 into x power n minus 3 into y cube. Similarly minus y power 4 is what? Y power 4 only. So this we can write as c4 x power n minus 4 y power 4. Similarly minus y power 5. This we can write minus y power 5. So minus we can take outside. This we can write c5 x power n minus 5 y power 5 plus dot 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 plus minus y power n. So this we can write as cn minus 1 power n y power n. So in this expansion x minus y power n. So this one is what we can take as our first term minus this we are writing as second term plus this we can write as what? Third term. Now this minus this we can write as what? T4 plus this we can write as what? T5 minus this we can write as T6 plus dot dot plus and this we can write as what? Minus 1 power n Tn plus 1. So this will come. Now if you add these two, so what will come? X plus y power n plus x minus y power n. If you are adding these two, now what is remaining? Because T2 is same. So if you add these two, they will get cancelled. And T1 plus T1 is what? 2 times T1 plus T2 is getting cancelled. T3 plus T3 is what? 2 times T3. T4 minus T4, that is getting cancelled. T5 plus T5, this will come 2 times T5 plus so on. यदि हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर लें तो हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म, थर्ड टर्म एंड फिफ्थ टर्म odd terms is coming. So odd term is nothing but what? 2 times. This is nothing but what? T1. So T1 is what? C naught into x power n. So 2 times C naught x power n plus 2 times T3. So T3 is what? C2 into x power n minus 2 into y square. C2 into x power n minus 2 into y square plus 2 times T5. So T5 is what? C4 x power n minus 4 into y power 4. So this is nothing but what? C4 x power n minus 4 y power 4 plus so on. So if you add these two expansion, we'll get odd terms. Now if we subtract these two equations, x plus y power n minus x minus y power n. So if I subtracting these two equations, what is remaining? T1 minus T1, that is 0. T2 minus or minus T2, so this will come 2 times T2. T3 minus T3, that is 0. T4 minus of minus T4, that is come plus 2 times T4. T5 minus T5, that is 0. T6 minus or minus T6, that is come 2 times T6 plus so on. Now if we subtract these two equations, we will get even terms. So 2 times T2. So T2 is nothing but what? C1 into x power n minus 1 into y. So T2 is what? C1 into x power n minus 1 into y plus 2 times T4. So T4 is what? C3 into x power n minus 3 into y cube. So C3 will get C3 into x power n minus 3 into y cube plus 2 times T6. So T6 is nothing but what? C5 into x power n minus 5 into y power 5. So T6 value what will come? C5 x power n minus 5 into y power 5 plus so on. So if we subtract these two, we will remain even terms. So first important point is what? X plus y to the whole power n plus x minus y to the whole power n. So in this summation, we will get 2 times odd term in the expansion x plus y power n. So second point is what? X plus y to the whole power n minus x minus y to the whole power n. In this subtraction, we will get 2 times even term in the expansion of x plus y power n. So this is second point. Third important point is general term of the expansion x plus y to the whole power n is tr plus 1. So tr plus 1 is nothing but ncr into x power n minus r y power r. Fourth important point is general term of the expansion x minus y to the whole power n is tr plus 1 equal to ncr into x power n minus r minus y to the whole power r. So this is 4 important points that you have to remember.